Hello, I'm Dr. Haris Tenetti, maxillofacial surgeon, life coach, Vedsastra instructor, and my video went viral. So people asked me, "Sir, you tell this, you tell this." I just made a video. It was really a normal, casual video. Now people asked me, "Sir, who is responsible for this pandemic?" So we were a group of doctors discussing. There were some intellectuals, there were some lawyers, there were political, people who were judging this political scenario. So we had this intense discussion in the forum, and there were so many questions which keep coming up. Who is responsible for this pandemic? I think there were so many points that were coming up. Most probably, is it the politics, or is it the government, or is it the laborers as responsible for pandemic, or is it these news channels, the media? Is it the main reason for this pandemic, or is it the shopkeepers, or the these owners of pubs, malls and all? Are they responsible for this pandemic? We were discussing all these things. So I think absolutely it is the whole and soul responsibility of the citizens. No one else. It is we who made this into pandemic. This was normal, just coronavirus, a nasal, airborne or droplet borne disease, which will go into lungs and can cause a pneumonia. As simple as that. Which this kind of coronavirus we had long back. This is not first time we had coronavirus. We have so many viruses in this world. But who made this pandemic? It is absolutely we. Did you see anyone wearing proper mask without touching it for 5 minutes? Did you see any such person? 99% they don't wear a mask. If they wear a mask, they will touch it every 2 seconds. They pull it up, they pull it down. They pull it up, they pull it down. So they cannot wear a mask for 5 minutes. They are responsible for the pandemic. This social distancing norm, do you know that it is there? But I see whenever we pick up phone, they say social distancing, 6 feet distancing, and I never see anyone following that. I did not see at all anywhere during this 1.5 year of lockdown. I have this pandemic. I've never seen anyone following social distancing. Never. Not even in the queues, not even on the roads. So they are responsible for this pandemic. So you're not agreeing with me. So you don't agree with me on this. That's okay. You have your own, freedom of speech, or freedom of expecting things to happen. You can disagree with me. I agree with that. But let's see if we can answer these things and understand who is responsible for this pandemic. Let's start like this. Government is responsible for this pandemic. So that is why they were telling people to wear mask. If you are more powerful than politics and government, we would have changed government by now, or we would have fought strong with the government by now. But meanwhile, to fight with the government, we should survive, right? So we have to wear mask. At least for that reason, where government itself is planning to kill people, if you think that is the reason for the pandemic, if government is planning to make this as a pandemic, then you should more cautiously wear your mask, right? So people are not wearing masks, not following social distance. Okay, it is not government. It can be the pharma industry mafia which is causing this pandemic. How can they sell remdesivir for 45,000, 50,000? They are doing the mafia, right? So you know that remdesivir is costing 45,000, oxygen is not there, beds are not available. Then you should wear your mask properly. You should follow social distance more cautiously. I don't see anyone following it. Oh, it is the media which is causing this pandemic. I got it now. Media is responsible for this. Media is spreading such a negativity. Wherever you open page, everyone is dying, world is dying. Such negativity, these newspapers, these media fellows, they're spreading negativity. They are causing this pandemic. Oh, so media is showing you so much of negativity, then people are afraid, worried, tensed, psychologically tensed. But even then, there are so many people roaming on the road just for no reason. I've seen dribbling. I've seen people riding on bikes without mask and dribble riding. So media is spreading this negativity to create this pandemic. Oh, if media is threatening you so much, you know that there is no remdesivir injections available, there is no oxygen available. You should more as well. You should sit at home. You should put on mask more carefully. You should have a proper seal. You should not touch your mask. You should follow social distancing. So media is not responsible. Okay, so you may ask me, how can anyone sit for 1 month at home? What will happen to those daily laborers? What will happen to those downtrodden people who live on daily wages for their, food? Oh, yes, that can be a real good problem. That should be really dealt with by the government, by doctors. You should really focus on that. Even I am worried about daily wage workers, laborers, who live on daily, day to day, 100 rupees, 150 rupees. Then you should see only those laborers or daily wage workers who are really, selling goods on the roads, vegetables on the roads. Only you should see them. The rest all should follow social distancing, right? The rest all should be responsible and wear mask, right? At least to save their lives. Oh, so it is not for them. It is just for the fashion you are saying these statements that what will happen to laborers and all. If you're so bothered about laborers, you should wear a mask properly, right? You should maintain social distancing, right? You should not touch your mask, right? I don't see anyone till today. I've never seen anyone wearing a full complete mask. They wear a mask from here to here, or here to here, or the moment they wear a mask, they keep pulling it down, forward, down, upward, upward, downward, upward, downward. Then who is responsible for this pandemic? Okay, you don't agree with me on this also? Right. So who is responsible? This vaccine industry. These fellows wanted to make money on vaccines. That is why they are delaying it and causing it a pandemic. Even that can be a reason. So if vaccine industry, pharma industry, government, your fellow human beings, laborers, colleagues, media, everyone is trying to kill you, everyone is trying to make it a pandemic, then you should be more afraid, more worried, and put on your mask, right, properly. You should maintain social distancing, right? But I don't see anywhere anyone following mask or social distancing or sanitizing. You will never see people wearing mask for 5 minutes without touching. So I feel it is we who made it a pandemic. It was such a simple virus. It will come. It will stay in your nose for 4 days, 5 days. Meanwhile, you can kill it in the nose at the nasal stage. But you will let it go. You will take Dolo and suppress the fever and wait and go out and spread it to people. And you blame the government. And you blame the doctors. And you blame the oxygen manufacturing companies, or you blame the vaccine manufacturing companies. I think somewhere we are missing that link. So my point is, it is not that we should have lockdown forever. It is not that everyone is self-sustainable, even though they don't have food for 1.5 months, they don't have jobs for 1.5 months, they will survive. That is not my intention. My intention is, if you really want this virus to go away, if you really want this pandemic to end, then 3 simple rules, buddy. 3 simple rules. I don't know why this is not going into public's mind. 2 masks, because there's a second wave and it is more virulent. 2 masks. 1 3-ply mask, 1 N95 mask. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I am sure you will not get this virus. One, social distancing, no matter how good friends they are, no matter how helpful they were, no matter how great they were, don't come near to them. At least maintain 6 feet distance. Simple, 6 feet distance. You can talk to them, you can be friendly, 6 feet distance. Simple. Wherever you touch, anywhere you touch, do not take those hands and put it in your nose or rub your eyes or put it in your mouth. Simple, easy, easy. Anywhere you touch, wash your hands thoroughly till here. This will stop the pandemic. So simple. We did not follow this. There are people who got fever, they know that they are positive, and still they went out to buy mangoes. Still they went out with this small cloth mask, and they went to market and bought fruits, vegetables without telling anyone. So they are responsible for this pandemic. Don't curse government, don't curse doctors, don't curse daily laborers, or don't curse anyone. We are responsible who are not following 3 basic things. Because we are not following these 3 basic things, we made it a pandemic, right? So at least today, if you got my point, if you understood what I am trying to say, just follow these 3 things. After the lockdown also, just follow these 3 things for 1 more year. We will come out of this pandemic. And the other thing I heard, China is starting biowar. Did you see that news? China has released this virus. So China is responsible for this pandemic, is it? Okay. So now the China is planning, doctors are crooks, hospitals are corporate hospitals, they are eating away your properties, and daily wage laborers are irresponsible, and political game is happening, and pharmacy industry want to sell medicines to you and grow, and there's media which is creating negativity. Amidst of all this, aren't we sensible enough to understand that when so much of havoc is happening, so much of uncertainty is there all around you, don't you think we are responsible for our lives? When so much of uncertainty is there around you, when the other country is trying to kill you, there's a pandemic going on, there's doctors who are trying to steal away your kidneys, supposedly. I don't know if all these things are happening or not, but I'm telling you. And media is spreading negativity, everyone are negative, all are irresponsible. Then you should be more responsible and put on your mask properly. Don't touch your mask at least for 5-10 minutes. When you come out, when you are in crowd, don't touch your mask. Wear your mask with a proper seal. We made it a pandemic. None other than we, people who are just irresponsible of not following 3 simple things. And we made it a pandemic. I think you will agree with me. If you really agree with me, please share this. Just 3 rules, buddy. This will really save. I'm a maxillofacial surgeon. I'm a dentist. I keep working in the mouth, oral cavity. I put my hands in the mouth and work. Of course, I wear a gloves and I put my hand in the mouth and I stay so close to the patient. But we never ever be negligent. You know why? Because we are responsible for it. You should be responsible, and whatever you are doing, follow these 3 things. Wear mask, absolutely wear mask, social distance, and sanitize, constantly wash your hands. We will come out of this pandemic. Only thing is, we should be little more responsible. We should not let political goons or the crook doctors or anyone to steal away our lives. We are responsible. Absolutely, we are responsible for this pandemic.